Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to pair your Honda CR-V with your garage door opener. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely outside your garage. Before you begin, it's a good idea to clear any existing programming from your home link buttons. Press and hold the two outer home link buttons until the indicator light flashes rapidly, which usually takes about 20 seconds. This prepares the system for new programming. Now, let's program the home link button using your garage door remote. Hold your remote control about 1 to 3 inches away from the home link button you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the desired home link button and your garage door remote button. Continue holding until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash, confirming the signal has been learned. Next, we need to sync your CR-V with the garage door opener unit itself. Go to your garage door opener motorhead unit, usually found on the ceiling. Locate the Learn or Smart button. Press and release this button quickly. Do not hold it down. You typically have about 30 seconds to return to your vehicle and complete the next step. Finally, return to your Honda CR-V. Within the 30-second window after pressing the Learn button, firmly press and hold the home link button you just programmed for about 2 seconds. Release it, then press and hold it again for 2 seconds. Repeat this a third time. Your garage door should now activate, confirming successful pairing. Enjoy the convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.